Step 4 reads, press seam and pocket down, pressing band and handles up. Stitch bag sections together at side seams and lower edge. Using the illustration to help us decipher the instructions, we can see that there are stitch lines only on the two sides and the bottom. We are not going to be stitching the corners at this time. For your outside pieces, you're going to have a seam in the middle from where you connected the outside piece with the band. We're going to go ahead and press this down before we sew the two pieces together. Once you do this, it should look like this, where the seam is in the down position. We are now going to pin the two outside pieces together. Remember that we want to have right sides together, so the sides that you want people to see are going to be touching each other. You're going to be lining up your raw edges, which are here and here, along with the bottom. One thing that you want to try to also match up is the seam from the front to the back. So when we open this up, we want to see that this seam is going to line up. So also try to have that as a checkpoint for yourself as you're pinning this. We are going to pin on the side, the bottom, and the other side, but not the corners. Do not pin the corners because we are not going to be sewing them at this point. Pin all the way down the side, both sides and along the bottom, and sew at 1/2 inch seam allowance. Pins like this, 1/2 inch of a seam allowance, side, side, and bottom.